The only way to get to them is walk from the south side back. I thought I saw a horse over here. Go back to her.
I'm gonna set this in. So, is this all right to set this in?
Yeah,
So don't
there's
go.
another corner right there.
All right.
Like I said, there's some drinks and stuff, and there's water in that one, but whatever, if you want one, they're there.
Thank you.
Bucky done one over there, Nina?
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
That's strange. Well, Star's down there with that group.
She normally hangs out with Bucky, huh? Yeah, because normally I don't see Star or that what is Chief, the 15H one.
Yeah.
I was telling the first year we moved, those were the first group of horses, and she was bred.
Skyke's down there. Williams down there. Roderick's probably down there. Got to be more horses here than one. I know she's not here.
I bet she is.
Really?
A Bucky, yeah.
Yeah.
If any of them would be, it would be her.
Huh.
Alright, we'll run back out. I'll run on out. We're going to check Skyke's bundle. Shaq's bundle first.
So what is our count right now? 53 or something? I think
Yeah.
53, yeah.
Yeah. Because we were 43 before the babies. Aren't we on baby number 12?
We got one that died.
So 11.
53.
Okay. Yeah, right there, I guess. I was doing bad math.
And you never found that Rachel pony?
Woody looked like he had lost his mind that day. He came in like he had his list. He's like, now I have gone and checked off everyone.
Usually when one dies, we'll find them. Now, we haven't found Rachel, but the other ones that we lost, we found.
Yeah. Well, and we were looking for like birds, or because if she was just laying up dead somewhere. So the only other thing we were thinking is it had gotten really deep in the water, like right before she went missing. So maybe she tried to cross or
You
something.
would have seen her float.
Yeah.
We've actually found one floating before.
Oh, really? Well, I don't know. You're positive she exists, though, right?
Huh?
You're positive she existed. That she wasn't like like Agnes was here. Yeah. Okay. Because I thought because they weren't born in the same week, so she would have, like, she was small in that
If that
picture.
be the case, she nursed off of two different mares and went on, lost her belly,
that old stallion had chased that young stallion out there, and they were fighting on that island. The only thing was left was a place about the size of this boat where a goose was that had a nest. Buddy, she was raising hell. If they got anywhere close, she was at them flapping. They had stomped it flat.
Wow.
Run them off and made them swim back.
Wow.
How deep is it here?
Right here, probably chest deep.
Okay.
I mean, between here and there, they might have to swim maybe one time. But other than that, they can touch. Yeah, they're all up there.
Would you have to swim?
Huh?
Would you have to swim, or could you walk straight across?
You probably had to swim in here a little bit.
Oh, okay.
If you get over there ahead, there's a shoal.
Oh, yeah.
From that point, it runs out that way. It's deeper right in here.
Yeah.
But there's a shoal that goes out there, what they call a chain shot. And you can probably just about wade to it. Might be chest deep.